So hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my beautiful name is Jerry Brenda and welcome back to Beyond Being Brenda. So first things first, I got home at around 7 and right now it's 11:30, and all this time I've just been chit-chatting with my mom. Chit-chatting. Yeah, I've just been catching up with my mom and all those hours. And then nikaona right now it's 12 and tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up very late. First of all, I'm going to be having a very good day tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a couple of things. I felt so good about that. I felt so nasikia poa yani. So, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't want to be loud, I'm sorry, because my parents are sleeping. I don't want to be so loud. Yeah. And oh god, I don't know. I'm so excited that I'm shooting this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah.
Kinda stressed out, don't know where my head's at. Feeling like I'm always trying to get up on the right track. On the right track, feeling so lost. Can you help me find the right path?
Baby, if you follow, I'll catch you. Diving in deep, I need a rescue. Cause ain't nobody coming to our rescue. Cause we just gotta do what we gotta do.
This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do, cause when I'm with you it still feels brand new.
I need you right up wrong. She riding shawty in a whip and it's her favorite song. I told her, baby girl, I'm really trying to take you home. This is not the type of thing you wanna do alone. So what you waiting on? Here we go again.
Kinda stressed out, don't know where my head's at. Feeling like I'm always trying to get up on the right track. On the right track, feeling so lost. Can you help me find the right path?
Baby, if you follow, I'll catch you. Diving in deep, I need a rescue. Cause ain't nobody coming to our rescue. Cause we just gotta do what we gotta do. Here we go again.
This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do, cause when I'm with you it still feels brand new.
Here we go again. Here we go again. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what
done with the hard part. This was my first time. I think I did a good job. Next time I'll work on the list better. But I think I did a good job. So the rest of the parts I'm going to finish kesho in the morning. But at least I'm done with the giant part. So yeah, right now I want to clean up my room and maybe sleep and eat if I'm not going to be watching something. But yeah, at least I'm done with that part. I did a good job. Yeah, I tried. Being my first time, nimejaribu. So yeah, I can tell me where I went wrong if you are pro at these things. So I want to clean up this space because hey, this place is looking terrible. But so I want to clean it. I want to clean up kidogo. Hata siku clean up. I want to just like kutoa hizi vitu. So yeah, let's do that.
Better not leave me on red. No, not tonight. 'Cause I'm over with some friends and I'm over sending texts and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone. So just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. 'Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun.
I decided to eat. I'm eating chapo, avocado na baby spinach. So hata sikuwa nikule, lakini venye nimeona avocado, I have to eat. So yeah, I'll just eat and sleep and then see you guys tomorrow. So, I'm fixing some wigs. Mom, hebu kuja uone venye inakaa. Nakaa poa. Hii si water, hii si ya maji ama ni ya maji?
Ya maji, hiyo ni human. Hiyo kadi nilikuwa nataka sasa. Sasa hii sitalikalia aje.
Si mbaya.
Si mbaya lakini. Wow. Unaanza tu nini?
Conditioner.
Conditioner.
Hii hata hujai kata leso.
Sijawahi kata. Itengeneza tu, alafu unajua niko na hii. Sasa nikitoa hiyo ndio nitakuja kwa hiyo. Nimesafaa hii nienda harusi fulani hapo. Ndio kwenye taratibu hiki.
Ibati inakaa poa.
Inakaa poa. Nani Brenda unanirecord? I hope you are not taking that to YouTube. Guy, unaona venye nakaa uso? Unajua hebu ile video ya Lady. Unakumbuka ile nilikwambia baba Chilema hajalifanya? Hata nikwambia hiyo nikipita hapo tulikuwa tunaenda kwa sababu. Wanasema yake mega.
sijai kuona na hii.
Ina hii dakika. Si nini mpya hii? Ukumbuki ni mpya?
Ulibai lini? Kitambo.
Kitambo nilinunua na mtu mwingine kwa tulikuwa wax. Ila kuna kitu nyingine ya doi. Just put for it in the bag. So what I did, I ordered, nikamwambia ninunulie Amazon. Nikaorder. Sasa wakati hiyo
Giriko mifua.
hiyo giriko mifua.
Kai. Shosh ni Diana B. Kishosh.
Na kepuru yako kapune kwa.
So guys,
Aliambiwa ati huyu mtoto si wake, akipiga atalipa. Kamsaidia kulipa DNA, huyu mtoto si wa kafuku, huyu si wa Pluto, the Pluto. Akina Pluto ni conman.
oi. Keke, tarara.
Hujaweka musi.
Mweka. Mwenye si mingi ilimwagika.
Mmoja anaingia kwa president of France. Mmoja president of France ameoa alioa alikuwa mwalimu wake.
Dunia inakuwa na maneno mengi. Haya. Mimi shida kulitumia address.
Hata ati address. Nitakubatakatimu tena baada ya mhulizo Mungu wote. None nitakoma. Ndio vitoto kio unaona ni hatu faraini. Hiyo
Kini mnapoteanga.
tunapotea tukia tukora. Iya rings mutijera kwa guruta.
Si niliona hapa kwa earrings hapa.
Pako bia nikula.
Nilijaribu kuvaa mask yangu ni kama ilifungana. Mimi sitawai vaa earrings maisha yangu.
Ndio ndio
Nake.
na meigua kaiya. Kama ya ndo basi mama nataka na meigua. Kaiya. Nataka kufanya hivyo.
Mimi niliduka na Kayafa.
Ni mkono wa mato.
Ndio tesa na Kayafa. Unajua hapo nilidungwa hata earrings. Ilikuwa the first time nilifanyia birthday.
Ili kubudi wale sasa ni. Unajua kitu sikuwa nimeweka nje.
Sasa alitoanga wapi hiyo idea?
Ina sera sinajua ni top.
Hiyo ni content creation.
Kuchabulia kila mtu. Okay. Aiga atere. Si wewe ndio maana ukaweka video zako kwa internet. Haya, mimi niko hapa sasa.
Mimi na wewe.
You cannot sue him. Internet kila kitu ya mtu.
Mama. Ona. Ndio gani yako hunyokete hapa? Hunyo. So hi guys, this is the finished look. I think nilifanya kazi safi. So yeah. Center the glasses and I'm confused. I wanted to put on my lashes but I can't find my lash glue. So I don't know. Nitafanya. Nasikia kulia but siwezi leo. Anyway, so I'm about to head out. I'm going to panga my stuff zenye nafaa kwenda nazo. Leo kuna kazi juu ya